Where's Evie? Graham, where's Evie? There she is! Graham, where's Evie? There she is! Where's Evie? There she is! Graham, where's Evie? Where's Evie, Graham? There she is! Ah! Where's Evie? Where's Evie, Graham? There she is! Ah! This is the cutest thing. They're just playing and playing. Where's Evie? Ah, there she is! They love playing together.
With your smiling face and freeze. Can you wiggle and stop? Oh, are you really stopped? Make sure you stop your feet. Can you put them together like Evie? Like Evie? Here we go. And wiggle and stop the feet together. Good job, Evie. Good job, Maya. Feet together. Good job. Ella. That's right, Ella. Good job. Oh, hey, Ella. Can you put your feet together? Yes, good. Can you do like this? Not right now. We're gonna wiggle.